everybody. I'm just sitting on the sofa watching a Netflix series called Kidnapped Elizabeth Smart, which is actually very good. I'm just currently waiting for an unboxing, which I will do with you as soon as I get it. It's going to be a new water bottle. It's called Bottle Bottle. You might have heard of it. It's apparently a very well-known brand, and as soon as it comes, I will do an unboxing of my new water bottle. It'll probably be boring, but there we go. Can't all be good, can we? But that is what I'm going to do, and I'm currently waiting now. So hopefully it shouldn't be long and it'll be here. So I'll get back to you as soon as it's here. Love you lots. Hello everyone. My parcel has just come. There she is. My new cup, and I can't wait to show you. So here we go. So I'm currently sitting on my sofa, as you can see. Ignore the washing, everything like that. So I've ordered a bottle. It's floral. Sorry, I can't open this up with one hand. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing with you guys, but I hope you enjoy it. So it's a Hydro water bottle with storage. It is called Bottle Bottle. There it is. It's purple tulips, made in China. Surprised. Got a logo on top. You can follow him on Facebook, Instagram, and that's the bottom. Right, let's get into the unboxing. And there. You can't really see it because of the reflections, but it says Bottle Bottle. There we go, perfect. So I've just painted my nails as well, look. Thought I'd show you them. No, it's not really about the fingers, it's about the bottle. Ooh, I like this. I'm trying to think how we're going to do this. Let's do it like that. Oh, very nice. Oh, and some instructions there. So let's see what this... Let's put that to one side, because I don't really want you to see the bottle. So it says Bottle Bottle. And here are the instructions. It tells you in Dutch, France, oui, Italiano, but we're not Italiano because I'm English. Let's find the English column, which I don't think has. I bet we're right at the back. Nope. Where am I? Where's English? Netherlands. Well, apparently English is number... Aha! Here we go, guys. So that's what it says. English, tells you instructions, seal ring, body, bottom, material type, heat performance. So if you want to put hot cup of coffee, whatever. Wash, rinse and dry bottle before using. All the boring stuff. But let's look at this lovely beauty. It comes in a travel bag, which I absolutely love. Right. Let's slide out this beautiful bag, which I may keep. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my God. She is gorgeous. I love it. It's got like a little handle. So this will be ideal for when I go to the gym, all of that stuff. So this one here, you can drink hot tea, etc. And here you can drink. It's a bit stiff because, oops, it's not being used, and that's where you know, drink with your water. And also, guys, it is really nice. It's got like, if you hang on 1 second, I'll put the light on. So basically, with the light on, this is what she looks like. It is purple and it's beautiful, guys. I love it. It is gorgeous. I'll twist it around so you can see. It says the logo. Bottle. Now, I saw a lady with one of these when me and my partner went out with his friends, which made me want to get it. So there we go. It's gorgeous. I love it. And also, this, guys, is a compartment under the bottle where you can put your pills in, which I think is fantastic. I probably won't use it at the moment because I haven't got any pills. But you could put your minerals in there, whatever. And I love it. And then you just put it back in there and screw it back on. This is going to be my new water bottle from now on. My last water bottle as well. And she's gorgeous. Love it. And my green one I'm going to get rid of because it's driving me fucking nuts. So, excuse my language, guys. But this is gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, really. A new unboxing, because normally I unbox other things. But this time it's a water bottle. It's not fun, but it's a water bottle. And it's gorgeous. I love it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the future.